gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Chelsea. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate to my OGs. Guys, you guys know the last time I bought some things for hair. I shared that with you guys. Today is outfit. I cannot just try only stuff for hair, then I will not get outfit. Is a no, because I've seen people talking so much about their outfit, the quality, everything. I said, no, Chelsea, you cannot just hear people saying it. You have to try them yourself. By the way, this video is sponsored by TEMU. TEMU, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. So I went to their website and I picked some pépites, like the French people will say. Hey, this thing say la bombe. You guys are going to love them. They are here. They are here. Hey. Okay, for those of you that are new, that don't know about TEMU, let me tell you guys about TEMU. This is a website whereby they sell anything that is on board. If you want anything that is trending, this is where you're going to get it. It's a large website that sells everything. Just think of it, anything, accessories, clothing, just think of anything. It is just insane. If you love fashion, you're going to love this website, TEMU, because they are giving it to us back to back. Their shipping, their quality, everything is if you buy anything, you're not going to regret it. Here is the moment we all have been waiting for. Yes, guys, use my discount code DMQ8495 and you're going to get 90% off. 90% off. And be careful, the first 100 to use this code will also receive a €100 voucher. Did you hear that? €100 voucher. That is the first 100 person that is going to use it. Be among the first 100, okay, so that you can profit from this huge offer. And don't forget to download the app. Among the things I'm going to review, if you like anyone and you order them, you use this code, please go to the comment section and let me know your favorite. Which one did you purchase? And don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I have a new code for you guys, you'll be the first to use it. This code is available for only those in France. I'm sorry. Alright guys, so I want to share the outfit with you guys. I'll bring them one by one to share with you guys, and I'm going to wear them, try them on for you guys as well. So first thing we're going to check is this shirt here. The material is a little bit stretchy. Let me stand up. So this is it. The material is a little bit stretchy, you guys can see. Is a shirt. This is L. I decided to take is L because I wanted it oversized. That is why I took is L. You can see it is L here. So it's short sleeve, okay, you see it. It's stretchy a little, so you can take M or you can take L, or if you want oversized, if you like the way it is on my body, you can take is L as well. So this is the design at the back. I like the material, polyester. I'm coming, let me check to see the material they use. Okay, I said it is polyester. Can see it is polyester. I did not even check it before I said it. It's just a basic shirt that you can wear up, wear down. It all depends on how you want to style this. The quality, guys, yeah. So that is it. You guys can see me wear it here. See the way it looks on my body. I just like this shirt. So next is this trouser here. The material is stretchy too. I took medium. It has this gold details here, some button gold. There's elastic at the back. I took M in this one, and the material is also polyester. See, I will try to pair that two together, this one and the shirt together, so that we'll see how it will look on me. You guys can see it. It's long. I like it. You guys can see it here. Me wear it here. I really love it. I love the design, and this place has a kind of slit. Can you guys see it? Kind of slit. It's beautiful, and I love the material. It's stretchy too. It's a little bit stretchy. The two did not come together. I picked the two separately. I picked this one separately and this one separately. Next, these two pieces here. This one is a short. See it here. It came with pockets. I like it because there are pockets inside. I love this. You can see it has elastic band. I love the color. It can go with everything, and there is a rope here. Okay, this is the shirt. The shirt is just simple basic shirt with pockets here by the side. You guys can see there's a pocket here by the side, a collar, and this one is a M. I took M on this one. It has some button down here, and let me check the material. What's the name of this material? This material is so the material is also polyester. Okay, polyester. Yes, that's how they pronounce it, right? It's 2-piece. Yeah, you just throw this on, voila, you're good to go. You guys can see it here. See how it looks on me. It is beautiful. So as approaching, I decided to take something for winter to something that I can wear during autumn, because autumn is almost here. This here, see the material is thick. It's really thick, and it comes high neck, okay, which is turtleneck. It has some stripes. Even at the under, you can see there's stripes, and the trouser is so thick as well. The same material. See, it's very long. I like it because it's very long. I love it. And this material, what's the name of this material? They said it's viscose. Viscosy. Okay, viscosy. I took M. This is the name. 100% viscosy. That's what they wrote on it. You guys can see it. That's how they pronounce this. I like it. It's heavy. This one will really be good in those cold evening. You're just going out, you throw this on, and voila, it's beautiful. I really like it, and I like the texture. Really like the texture, and I like the design. Wow, it's beautiful. 2-piece. Okay, next is this. I so much, guys. This one, let me stand up. This very one, guys. This is it. It's like tube rub. They call this one tube rub. Okay, I think that's the name they call them, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if you know how they call them on the comment section. Okay, let me see. I want to see if the name of the whatever is here. Okay, the name is not on it. I wanted to see the name of the fabric. Okay, let me see. It's here. It's polyester. Okay, it's polyester, and also you can take care of these, the washing, the drying, and everything. They put the code here. So I really love. Is it tube dress they call it? Anyway, I forgot. See, you don't need to wear bra because it came with bra already. See here. I took M. I'm supposed to take S because it's stretchy. I never knew that this would be stretchy. On the comment section, no one mentioned that it's stretchy. As me they said it's stretchy, I would have taken S. I just hope it will fit, that it will not be too free on me. Okay, and it came with some, see, hand here. You can make use of the hand. You can still get away with it. You can just decide to chuck in it. So I'm going to try it in both ways, okay, so that you guys can see it. I'll put it here. This is the front. You guys can see it. Okay, see the design. Let me stand up. Can you guys see the design? I have seen my Christmas Eve cloth because I'm going to rock this on Christmas Eve. Yeah, guys, Christmas is at the corner. Okay, this is so beautiful, and it's not too long, it's not too short. I just like the way it is. So the next one is this 2-piece. This is a kimono. Okay, a kimono and a trouser. See, this is the trouser. You see it? Let me shift back. You can see the trouser. It looks like this. The material, I like the print. It's brown. I don't have this color. I just saw this color. I don't have this color of dress at all. This color, I just saw it. I say wine, kind of wine color, and mixed with green. You guys can see it. I really like the design. It looks like all these India prints. Okay, I love the design. Next is this one that I'm wearing here. Oh, guys. Is very long. Okay, the buttons are way down. Okay, you can decide to like open it like what I did. I opened it like this, the slit, to form a kind of a slit because the button is down, or you can button it down. And here it has, see, because it's only me, I cannot button this. If not, you have to button this too so that it can look like buff here. Then if you like, you can use this just to hold the waist to make it snatched. So guys, that is it. I will leave the link to each of the outfits on the description box, so if you're interested, you check them out. It's my first time of trying TEMU's outfits, clothing, and I really love them. Buy it. You see, you testify yourself. I'm not just saying it because the video is sponsored. No, if I don't like anyone, I'll just say that the quality of this one is not good. To be frank with you guys, I love the quality, I love the fabric, I love the style. In short, everything I pick, I just love them. So if you like anyone, just head to the description box. The link to them will be on the description box, and I will see you guys gorgeous in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Thank you once again, TEMU, for sponsoring this video. I appreciate it. Bye guys. Bye.